Question 1. What is possible to do? Possibility. I can. I can. And use a verb in the present tense. I can eat. I can write. I can laugh. I can share. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. I could eat. I could write. I could laugh. I could share. Question 2. What is possible to do? I want to. I want to. And then you use a verb in the present tense. I want to eat. I want to write. I want to laugh. I want to share. Okay, so let's take a look at the answer. I want to, and use a verb in the present tense. I may eat. I might eat. I may write. I may laugh. I might share.